In this video, I will show you how to perform what I call the flying wave shuffle, although I'm not exactly sure if that's a correct name or not, but it goes like this, where you have the entire deck of cards flowing from one hand to the next. The better you get at this, the further away you can go. From another angle, you may have also seen Criss Angel do this as well. I've been doing this since I was a kid. So now you've seen the wave. This is how you do it. Keep in mind that it will take a lot of practice for you to get this right. But you always, you notice how I keep tamping the deck down. It's important that the deck stay straight and flat when you're doing this. You're going to have the catching hand set up as so. You notice these two fingers out. So you're going to be catching it like that. So when the card flies in, it goes in this way. So now you have the grip, and you have to take a deck of cards, one that's not too, one that slips, a slippery deck is a little bit easier to work with, and you're going to have your thumb on the edge here, and your front fingers are going to be right by the very edge of the deck. So as you squeeze in, it can pop out. Did you see that? Again, grip like this, squeeze it in. Let's see if I can get a better angle on this here. See, my hand is like that. These two fingers basically catch the front of the card as it's coming down. So when you're slipping it out, this takes a little bit of practice to get the feel on this, so that way it just slips out. You're catching it in your hand. The more practice you do, the better you get at it, the smoother it'll be, and the farther you'll be able to go. Again, come back here from this position. This is how my hand looks from that position. And there you go. Good luck. Keep practicing. Eventually you'll get it. This didn't happen overnight to me. It took a while to get it right. And good luck to you all. If you like my videos, please like me and subscribe. Thank you.